Hello, today is day 43. Recording myself speaking English, and my eyes hurt, my left eye a little bit hurt. Uh, yeah, this is my mom has. Mom give me that. Wow, you have a big hat. She say, oh, and I'm wearing this so nicely suit, but I wearing like a a little bit, so I have a big head. Whoa. So I wanna say that is I don't care you have big head or small head. That's not that fact, God gave you that, you know. You need to love yourself. Bye.